Hey everyone, and welcome to my 5 B post plant icebox molly lineups. And yeah, let's kick it off. For whatever reason, you're in
Caution here.
spawn, and your team planted
Right here.
B default. All right, this corner of this K,
Caution here.
you're gonna take your crosshair above your mouse, and above that point,
Molly.
you're gonna pull. What that'll do is that'll fly across the map,
Caution
bounce
here.
off here. Boom. Give you a few seconds to do some work. Since we're over here, I'll show you the other 4. Starting with
Caution here.
this corner. Same.
Caution here.
Stand in this corner. And on yellow box, there's this line right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna aim just above it.
Molly.
You have a ricochet shot. Next, we're gonna swing over.
Caution here.
Stand right here above green. Pull your molly out. Try not to fall off. 3 black lines on the caution tape.
Molly.
Give you a molly bounce as well. You're playing behind yellow.
Caution here.
I got 2 for you. This one's a wall bang as well. You stand where you can see half of this yellow container. If you worry about just the bottom half, and aim right
Caution here.
here.
Molly.
You have a molly lineup as well. And then this one is for under.
Caution here.
So if your team planted under nest anywhere, from here, here, or here, you are back behind yellow for whatever reason. Jump on these 2 containers. You're gonna mark in between
Caution here.
this gray area. Put the crosshair above your mouse symbol and pull.
Molly.
This one lingers, so you gotta give it some time, but it will actually land and bounce. Give you some time to think and work. You don't want to peek to say they have an op. But just remember, you are exposed
Caution here.
snowman, so there's always this one to worry about. Hope these 5 lineups work for you. They've worked for me in just about all the games I've played. I've used them all. I've gotten kills with all of them, and I've won some games with them. But hey, maybe it'll work for you. Leave a like and subscribe, and have a good day.